We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva and I am back with another QVC kit. I am still on QVC 24/7 looking for kits for myself, and I saw this one pop back up. It had I got it when it first came out, so I got it for a little bit cheaper than it is right now, but even at this price it is still a good deal. The item that I'm talking about is the Tatcha Brighten and Protect 3-piece kit. It is on the QVC website for $140. If sold separately, it would be $221. You're getting the Violet C Brightening Serum, the Tatcha Silken Pore Perfecting Sunscreen. This has an SPF of 35, and you're also getting their mask. If you get this kit, each of these items will only be $46.66. Let's start with the Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum. You guys, I don't know too much about vitamin C's and what all they do. The one thing that I'm looking for is even pigmentation. I need for some of my my old acne spots to be brightened and just even that out. I don't like it anymore. But and I want my skin overall to be brighter. And I can say that I feel like my skin does look brighter in the morning. I know it's not just this product, but this does help. And plus, I am mostly using all of Tatcha's products in my AM skincare routine. So yeah, so I really do like this. This comes out as like clear, and it just like evaporates into nothing onto the skin. It's not thick, it's very thin, it's watery, it has no fragrance to it whatsoever. And like I said, right away you can see your skin looks hydrated, it looks vibrant. I think the hydration part comes from the hyaluronic acid that's in it. I think that's what she said. Not certain, I'm not a chemist. But since putting this on, I do feel like my spots are a little bit lighter. This item right here costs $88 if you buy it at Sephora. Now if you get it on the QVC website, they do have it for $80 by itself, but at Sephora this is $88. And people are out there buying this for $88. Not you. You're gonna get it for $46.66. Okay, the next thing that I wanted to talk about is the SPF of the kit. You guys, I am so in love with this. Now this kit is called Brighten and Protect, and whenever you are wearing a vitamin C, you most definitely need to be wearing an SPF, and this is the SPF of all SPFs for me. I've not had an SPF that is colorless to the face, because usually I don't mind if it has color because I'm putting makeup on top of it, so that's not a deal breaker for me. But this is so nice, you guys, and it's pore perfecting. So I use it as, I can use it, and I have used it as an SPF and a primer. So that's like skipping a step. Okay, it looks like this. Comes right out of the tube, white, and then when you rub it in, nothing. There's no color to it whatsoever, and it's almost like it is blurring away my pores, so I'm so in love with that. The last product, you guys, it's amazing. This is so good. This right here, oh, I forgot to tell you guys how much this costs. At Sephora, this item right here costs $65. And like I said, with the QVC deal, you're only paying $46.66, my dear. On to the Violet C Radiance Mask. It is going to brighten your face. I don't know, I don't remember too much about their other claims for it, but it does give your skin some radiance and some brightness to it. The most fun thing about this is that it is purple. I love putting this on, and it goes on just like this, you guys, and I put as much as I want because I got this coming to me on auto delivery, and I think it's like every 3 months I'll get another set, so I pack this on. I don't mind. Okay, so the way you're supposed to use this is to just slather it on, and after 15 minutes you can go ahead and wash it off. This does not dry down, crack, or any of that. Now it does turn a deeper purple after a while, but you just add water to your face and just rinse it off. And yeah, as soon as you rinse it off, for one, your skin is gonna feel like a baby's butt. And ladies, don't we all love when our skin feels like a baby's butt? I don't know how I'm gonna deal when this when the auto delivery is over. I don't know how I'm gonna deal without this. I'm just hoping that another set comes out. I also wanted to talk to you guys very quickly about another kit that just got re-released as well, and I talked about this before in another video, kind of similar to this one. So it is the Tatcha Ageless Renewal Face and Neck 4-piece kit, and they re-released it, but it is a little bit more expensive. It's $175.50, and if sold separately, it is $492.60. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh my goodness. And if you get this kit, each item will cost you only $43.87. You guys, that kit is amazing, 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 amazing. I have been using that one long enough to give you guys my quick thoughts on each item. The essence, that is my holy grail. That is the one thing that I knew I wanted from the kit, and that's the main reason why I got the kit. But that is the item that I love the most, you guys. I am putting that in my July favorites. I had already, you guys, I'd already filmed that video, but I kept calling it June favorites. I cannot put that out. I was just like, girl, July. But anyways, that is in my July favorites. I love it so much. The thing that I love most about this product is the plumping aspect. Under my eyes, it plumps it up so much that it looks like I do not have crepey skin under my eyes, and I love that. It makes putting on my my concealer and my powder a dream. And then you guys, the neck cream in this, yo, I didn't even know I needed a neck cream, okay, until I felt this neck cream. This neck cream is off the charts. It's off the chain. It's everything. Like I said in my previous video, I was using Josie Maran argan butter on my face. On my neck. And this is even better than the Josie Marin whipped butter. Oh my gosh, I love that neck cream. Then the eye cream, y'all already know that is so good, you guys. Like I said, my under eyes have been just flawless since I've been using this new system. And then it also, to me, it makes my under eyes look a little bit brighter. And then, you guys, the face cream, the most expensive face cream I have ever used. The face cream is everything. Hydration, hydration, hydration. When I go to bed, I feel so hydrated. I don't feel like oily or any of that. My face feels hydrated, and it actually looks hydrated. Both of these kits together have changed my skincare routine, AM and PM. So I just wanted to make sure that I let you guys know that these deals are out there. I will link them in my description box for you guys to go and check out. But anyways, yeah, that's the end of my video, you guys. I know this is going to be a long video, so I really wanted to hurry up, get it out, let you guys know about it, because I was supposed to be filming my July favorites, so I'm going to film that next. I'll film that tomorrow instead of today. Anyway. All right, you guys, I'm so grateful if you lasted to the end of this video. Thank you. You are a trooper. And if you liked this video, please go down there and click the like button. And if you stuck around this long, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. We're friends now. All right. Anyways, until next time, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'll be right beside you.